Hello everyone, good day to you all. This is an apology video to everyone that feels offended. I'm so sorry, I apologize. What happened is when Baba Ijesa just came back from prison, he told me he was back and I asked him, do you want to do an interview to apologize or to clear the air so that you can continue your life? And he said no, that he wasn't ready. He has some things that he's doing now. And I said, okay. I didn't ask him again until he called me last week to tell me that, okay, now he's ready for an interview, that he wants to go to Chude's place, Kololawuyi, Oriyomi Amsat, Ayifele, that these people have been calling him that. But he has decided that he wanted to do it with me first. And I said, oh, thank you for the honor. No problem, sir. So I had the interview and that was it. I thought I was just an interviewer. My role is to interview him, hear what he has to say. I thought he would apologize, but he did not do so. But it is not in my place to condemn him as an interviewer. The platform is for the good and the bad. It's for both saints and sinners. The platform is not for only the people that you like. It's for the people that you like and you do not like. I am a mother. I am a Christian. I am also a rape victim, that it took me a while before I got over it. I have said that in my interviews over and over again. Yes, it took me time. It took me a lot of prayers, a lot of confession to get over it. So I will never enable anybody. The interview was not to exonerate Baba Ijesa or to agree with whatever he was saying. Go and watch the video very well. There was a place he was telling me that, Bibi, ongumilabere gon, oden dumio, ongumilabere. And I said, I'm sorry, sir. It is my job to ask you the right questions. I asked the right questions from him, which I thought that was the job of an interviewer. The interview was not to exonerate him or for him to come and claim innocence on my show, because it was a crime that he's been convicted of. And I asked it, go and see the video again. I had to pull it down because I felt that a lot of people were angry. And I know that where I have gotten to with the show today is because of the support of the masses. I would never go and support people that they don't like. I do not support him at all. I just felt that the platform is for everybody and it's okay for him to also say his side of the story and apologize. But since he did not do so, it is not in my position to condemn or to judge him, because I know the masses will do that. I felt that he's been convicted. I brought Selee on the show when he came out from the prison, and people liked him. He got an encouragement from people. Some people even gave him gifts, and I thought that was what would happen with him. Do not forget that this man in question is also a senior colleague, and he was one of the people who encouraged me while coming up. So it is not in my position to embarrass him on the show. I just did my part as an interviewer. I didn't know that it will aggravate people's anger like that. But to everyone that feels offended, I am sorry. I do not agree with whatever he has done. I know the court has done their job. I wanted him to, I thought he was going to apologize, and he did not. It is not in my place to insist what he would say. I am so sorry. I'm also learning from the job. I am not a saint. I'm not a perfect person. I have tried as much as possible to bring joy to people. And a lot of people are insinuating that the video is to tarnish Ijesa Ojo's image. I, Abiola, Ayomide Adebayo, I would never do that. If you know me, you know me very well, especially when it comes to my colleagues or anyone else. They have brought, a lot of people have come on the show and they have hyped Iyabo Ojo before because she's like a sister to me. She's a colleague. She has come on the show before out of honor, out of respect for me. I would never do anything to bring her down. I intentionally didn't bother about that side, that part where he mentioned PC's last name, because I felt he wasn't saying anything bad about them. If I felt that it was going to come out like that, trust me, I would have removed it. Immediately he mentioned Iyabo Ojo's name, please go and check my reaction, because I thought he was going to say anything bad about it and I wasn't going to take that, because I could fight for the cause that she fought for as well. But please forgive me. I'm not here to justify anything. I am a very peaceful person. If you know me, you know that about me. And I don't like controversies. I have avoided controversies throughout my show. I will be mindful of the caption, even if it's caption that will call people to come and watch. As long as it's controversial, I don't want to use it. And I quoted him. That was what he said. It was not to it was not a propaganda to go against Iyabo Ojo's film. Our film is coming up. Arinzo will sell by the grace of God. It will do well. Since Iyabo Ojo, I love you, and you know it yourself. You know that I would naturally not do. I did not use you for anything. Your name was not called. I left it because I felt he wasn't saying the bad thing about you. It didn't occur to me the way that people are saying it now. But please also know that I am also learning. I don't know it all. I apologize to everyone that feels offended. I would never in my life, I would never be an accomplice to a pedophile or a rapist. I would never, not in this life or in the next life to come. I am a Christian. I am a mother. I protect the girl child. I protect children with the best of my ability. If you know the show very well, you will know that I have used it to fight for a lot of people, even when people are against me or against what I'm doing. So please, I apologize. Please forgive me. And see, Iyabo, I love you. I'm sorry if you feel hurt. I'm so sorry to all our fans, to everyone out there, to all mothers, all Nigerians, even in diaspora, that feels that I should not give him a platform. Please note that the platform is for the good and the bad. When Selee Ogbegbe came, there was not so much controversies like this, maybe because he apologized. It is not in my position to put words into their mouth. And please remember, this person is also my senior colleague. There is little that I can do. I cannot make my guests uncomfortable, which I think I did to an extent. I have done that once or twice where people also criticize me that you don't do that to your guests. But please, in all of it, I acknowledge that it's somebody that people do not like. And I know that to whom much is given, much is expected. It's because it's my show. If it was another show, maybe the noise would not have been that much. But please forgive me. All that I have done, everything that God has used me to do on that show is by the help of the people, and I will never take them for granted. God bless you all. I hope I'm forgiving this. I'm on my knees and I'm saying I'm sorry. Ẹ má bínú sí mi. Mi ò mọ̀ ṣe tó, èmi náà ń gbọ́n ni, ọmọdé ni mí, and I do not claim sin to anybody. God bless you all. Thank you.
Ìfọ̀rọ̀wánilẹ́nuwò tí bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà Ọláyínká lọ sí lọ́dọ̀ Aunty Abiola ó tó ti dá wàhálà mi sílẹ̀ o ẹ̀yin èèyàn, tó sì jẹ́ pé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn àṣírí ló tó ń jẹyọ látàrí fọ́nrán tí àwọn èèyàn tó ń jù sórí ẹ̀rọ ayélujára. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn, kí tó ní àwọn fọ́nrán tó ń jáde lórí ọ̀rọ̀ bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà, ẹ súnmọ́ bí ẹ wá gbọ́. Bó bá jẹ́ ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ yín rè, ẹ tẹ follow button yín kẹ́lẹ́ má jàǹfààní lóòrèkóòrè bàbá tó ṣe mú fọ́nrán wá lórí ìkànnì wa. Ẹ wá gbọ́ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn àṣírí, kódà àwọn nǹkan tó sọ pé kí bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà má padà sẹ́wọ̀n kó ṣọ́ra ni o, nítorí pé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ tí bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà sọ níbi ìfọ̀rọ̀wánilẹ́nuwò lọ́dọ̀ Aunty Abiola, ọ̀pọ̀ àwọn èèyàn ló takò ó, tẹ́sí mú ẹ̀rí àwọn fọ́nrán kan jáde sórí ẹ̀rọ ayélujára. Ntẹ́sí tẹnumọ́ ni pé kí Ìjẹ̀ṣà ṣọ́ra ẹ̀ kó má bàa tó padà sẹ́wọ̀n, kó ṣe pẹ̀lẹ́, kó ṣe jẹ́jẹ́, kódà kó sọ ọ̀rọ̀ sọ. ẹ má jẹ́ ń gbà yín lákòókò ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ fọ́nrán náà rèé.
kú dédé wòyí ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ Olóyinka TNT ẹ kú bójú ọjọ́ ṣeréṣe dáadáa ni mo bá yín. ẹ jẹ́ kí n dá àyìn ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ̀ láròjinlẹ̀ ẹ jẹ́ ń dá yín lóhùn. tó bá léèyàn discredit nǹkan òdìgbà téèyàn bá bọ́ síta tó bá lọ pariwo àbí tó bá lọ bú àwọn èèyàn. wọ́n mólè wọ́n ní wọ́n fún ní placard wọ́n kọ síwájú ẹ̀ pé olè ni ó pààyàn ó já olè. wọ́n ti convict ẹ̀ ó ti lọ sí prison ó ti dé. ó wá padà wá ní òun kò ń ṣe pé òun jalè o òun jẹ̀yàn lówó òun ò san ni o náà fi pè òun lólè o. kí nìyẹn mean? ó mean pé ó ń sọ wípé ìjọba ò ṣiṣẹ́ wọn. ó mean pé ó ń discredit judiciary system ni. kò dìgbà téèyàn bá bọ́ta tó bá sọ pé kinní kan báyìí ló ṣẹlẹ̀. now wọ́n ti convict èèyàn. apart from that a rí wípé wọ́n sọ pé wọ́n fi orúkọ ẹ̀ sínú rẹ́gísítà kan. irú èèyàn yẹn tó bá máa bọ́ta wá sọ̀rọ̀ nǹkan tí mi fi ipò yẹ kó sọ ni pé well mo ti lọ mo ti dé ọlọ́run ò ṣeun n tó pamọ́ ojú ọlọ́run ló tó. ìtẹ́ ní nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá feel disappointed ẹ má bínú. ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá dẹ̀ fi pé bóyá ẹ fẹ́ kó mi sí wàhálà náà lẹ ṣe irú nǹkan báyìí mo fà yín lé ọlọ́run lọ́wọ́. but irú àwọn narrative tí ẹni tó wá fẹ́ máa push yẹn kò lè fly ó kàn máa further get into trouble ni. because nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ti ṣẹlẹ̀ bó nǹkan tó ń sọ yẹn kí ni nǹkan tó lè change. àwọn tó ń dárúkọ yẹn kí ni nǹkan tó fà á kí ni nǹkan tó lè change. then ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń blame Bíọ́lá láròjinlẹ̀ ẹ má gbàgbé pé bọ̀bọ̀ senior colleague ló jẹ́ fún Bíọ́lá. ṣé Bíọ́lá máa ní kó lọ record nǹkan tó fẹ́ sọ tẹ́lẹ̀ tí nǹkan tó fẹ́ sọ tẹ́lẹ̀ á wá ní pé kóun kọ́kọ́ gbọ́ná kóun tó fún ní platform ni. Bíọ́lá mo lè sọ fún yín categorically pé Bíọ́lá gan máa feel disappointed because nǹkan tó ń jáde ó lè má jẹ́ nǹkan tí Bíọ́lá gan expect but at that point kò lè caution ẹ̀ kò lè stop ẹ̀ mọ́ because ẹ má gbàgbé pé nǹkan tó ń record ni tó bá stop ẹ̀ yín náà lè máa ní kó wà professional bẹ́ẹ̀ kò sí nǹkan tó lè ṣe ó fún ní kò sí nǹkan tó lè ṣe níbẹ̀ yẹn because senior colleague ẹ̀ ni mi sọ pé Bíọ́lá náà kì í ṣe mistake but kí ni ẹ fi pé ó yẹ kí Bíọ́lá ṣe. Bíọ́lá lè má expect nǹkan tó wá sọ yẹn pé nǹkan tó máa sọ nìyẹn. Bíọ́lá lè fi pé bóyá ó tiẹ̀ fẹ́ wá sọ pé àyìn olólùfẹ́ mi mo ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ padà o ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá feel disappointed o ẹ má bínú o àwọn ẹ̀yin tẹ́ dẹ̀ fi pé kinní kan mo fà yín lé kóòtù Ọlọ́run o bó bá jẹ́ bó ṣe rí nìyẹn o nǹkan tí Bíọ́lá lè fi pé ó fẹ́ sọ nìyẹn. náà mo rò bóyá mo fẹ́ sẹ̀tẹ̀ ọ̀ pé kó wá sílé mi mo dẹ̀ fi nǹkan sílẹ̀ pé mo fẹ́ wò bí o máa jalè mo mọ̀ọ́mọ̀ set up my dear tó o bá kí n ṣolè o ò ní jí nǹkan tí mo bá fi lẹ̀ náà tó o bá kí n ṣe olè nǹkan tí mo bá fi set up o ò ní jí wàá wò wàá mọ́jú ni tó o bá kí n ṣolè but nǹkan tí n bá fi nǹkan ṣe tí mo dẹ̀ ti anticipate pé o máa jí tó jí that means pé o concretize the thought mi pé olè ní ẹnìyẹn. Taba ní pé wọ́n rubbish system ara tó ṣe rubbish system ni pé ẹni yìí ti lọ ó ti bọ̀ nígbà tó tún bọ̀ táwọn kan raise alarm pé wọ́n forúkọ ẹ̀ síbì kan o ìjọba tún jáde wọ́n tún forúkọ ẹ̀ sí kó wá ní wọ́n trick wọ́n ṣe kíní kan it's like rubbishing the system if you don't know kò dìgbà tí wọ́n bá jáde tó bá ní judiciary orí yín ò pé kéèyàn wá máa try láti máa manipulate sí pé okay ó yìn wọ́n as much as ó yìn wọ́n àwọn nǹkan tó ń sọ ó ń tẹ́ wọn maybe ẹ mọ̀ ẹ fi Bíọ́lá lẹ̀ Bíọ́lá ò ṣe nǹkan kan tó bad to be quite honest because tẹ́ bá lọ bẹ̀ Bíọ́lá níbi tó wà mo mọ̀ pé òun gan máa wà disappointed but kò sí nǹkan tó lè ṣe torí pé kò lè sọ pé kó wá record ọ̀rọ̀ kó tó sọ síta kò sí nǹkan tó lè ṣe Bíọ́lá ò kì í ṣe necromancer kò lè see through inú ẹ̀ láti mọ nǹkan tó ní nínú tó fẹ́ sọ kò sí nǹkan tó lè ṣe kò lè máa sọ̀rọ̀ lọ láàrin ṣòkó pa ṣó mọ́ lẹ́nu no mo wà sure pé Bíọ́lá gan máa wà disappointed but kò sí nǹkan tó lè ṣe kò dẹ̀ lè wá síta wá sọ pé kinní kan so please ẹ jọ̀ọ́ torí Ọlọ́run ẹ fi Bíọ́lá lẹ̀ just leave Bíọ́lá out of it and the guy I will advise you wípé o ti lọ o ti dé máa dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ orí ẹ̀ máa dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run ẹlòmíì lọ tí ó bọ̀ nǹkan tó dẹ̀ ṣẹlẹ̀ ti ṣẹlẹ̀ kò sí àwáwí asán èyí tó ń ṣe ìyàwáwí asán ni and kò gbogbo wa ò lè sùn ká kọrí síbì kan náà àwọn kan máa fi ojú ṣùnùkùn wú ọ̀rọ̀ ṣùnùkùn nígbà tó dé táwọn ìtàn forúkọ ẹ síbì kan ẹnìkan wá raise alarm ìjọba tún bọ́ta wá sọ pé wọ́n forúkọ ẹ sí tọ́n bá find ẹ guilty wọn ò ní forúkọ ẹ sí wọn ò ní fún ẹ ní stamp yẹn so please ẹ̀yin tẹ́ Nàìjíríà ṣá ẹ jọ̀ọ́ torí Ọlọ́run ẹ fi Bíọ́lá lẹ̀ please ẹ jọ̀ọ́ mo fọlọ́run bẹ̀yìn ni ẹ fi Bíọ́lá lẹ̀ mo ò ṣakọ o mo bẹ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀yin abiyamọ ayé kò sí nǹkan tó lè ṣe sí that kind of situation ẹ jọ̀ọ́ torí Ọlọ́run.
ẹ̀yin èèyàn ó mọ̀ tó ń rúgbó bọ̀ o lórí ọ̀rọ̀ arákùnrin tẹ́ ń pè ní bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà tẹ́ ẹ̀ bá gbàgbé ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ tó ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà àti arábìnrin princess àtọ̀rọ̀ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà mọ̀ ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ darí ẹ̀wọ̀n dé mọ̀ ni kò pẹ́ láìpẹ́ ló lọ ṣe interview lọ́dọ̀ Aunty Biola ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ti wá di bó ló yà mí lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ayélujára o oríṣiríṣi làwọn èèyàn ń sọ kódà táwọn èèyàn kan tó ń sọ pé tí bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà ò bá sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ yóò tún ẹ̀wọ̀n ṣe ẹ̀yin èèyàn ọ̀rọ̀ bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà ti wá di ikú ń dẹ̀dẹ̀dẹ̀dẹ̀ ń dẹkú o bẹ́ẹ̀ làwọn èèyàn kan ń sọ pé kárákùnrin ṣọ́ra ẹ̀yin èèyàn wo fúnra tẹ́ ẹ sì gbọ́n kékeré lẹ sì gbọ́ o ẹ tún wá gbọ́ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn àṣírí kódà ọkọ àwọn single mother ó jáde o látàrí irú èèyàn tó mọ bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà sí kó sì ẹ̀ tó di pé ọ̀rọ̀ ẹlẹ́wọ̀n dé ó ṣàlàyé kódà tó sì ẹ̀ tó mú evidence jáde ọ̀pọ̀ àwọn èèyàn náà ló wá ń sọ pé irú interview wo ni bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà tó ń grant lọ́dọ̀ sista Bọ́lá tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ báwọn kódà oríṣiríṣi ọ̀rọ̀ ló ti ń jáde sórí ẹ̀rọ ayélujára ẹ̀yin èèyàn ẹ má wàá jẹ́ gbà yín lákòókò tó bá jẹ́ ìgbà kọ́kọ́ yín rè ẹ tẹ follow button yín kẹ́ lè má jàǹfààní lórí ìkànnì wa lóòrèkóòrè bàbá tó ṣe mú fúnra wa sórí ìkànnì Kó Lè Jẹ̀ṣà ẹ má wàá jẹ́ gbà yín lákòókò ẹ má jẹ́ ń dènà pẹ́nu ẹ má gbàgbé àdéhùn wa làmúṣẹ lórí ìkànnì pé gbogbo nǹkan tó bá ń lọ káàkiri gbogbo àgbáláyé làámọ̀ mọ́ wá lọ́lọ́kan òjọ̀kan sórí ìkànnì wa tẹ́yìn náà tẹ́ mọ̀ fojú ara yín rí tẹ́sì mọ́ fi etí ara yín gbọ́ bó ṣe ń lọ tọ́ fúnra náà rèé ẹ jẹ́ ká tún gbọ́ ẹ má wàá gbàgbé ẹ jẹ́ ká máa gbọ́ èròǹgbà yín lábẹ́ kọ́mẹ̀ǹtì wa ó yá ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ tó ti ṣàlàyé látàrí ọ̀rọ̀ arákùnrin bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà.
má bínú Apollo ló mú mi bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà wọ́n ní kó má fọwọ́ kan ọmọ minor bọ̀ wọ́n ní evidence against ẹ̀ bọ̀ wọ́n mọ̀ pé tó bá bí ẹ́ o máa deny ẹ̀ wọ́n wá set camera pé tó bá dé o máa ṣe the same thing fọ́mọ yẹn so wọ́n máa lè ní evidence against ẹ̀ ìwọ náà wá dé tó bá yẹ pé òkì máa ń ṣe nǹkan yẹn fọ́mọ yẹn tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ ṣé o máa fall sínú bẹ́ẹ̀tì yẹn ìwọ náà wá dé ó wá fọwọ́ kan ọmọ yẹn gbogbo wa la rí fídíò yẹn bó ṣe ń tìka ọmọ yẹn sẹ́nu bó ṣe ń ṣe oríṣiríṣi adájọ́ ní evidence against ẹ lọ fi gba ẹ sẹ́wọ̀n ó wá dé látẹ̀wọ̀n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní máa grant interview káàkiri wọ́n sẹ̀tẹ̀ up ní nǹkan tó ṣe àwọn tí wọ́n interview ẹ̀ àtàwọn bọ̀dá ìkébé super àwọn ọlọ́mọ àwọn bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà padà sẹ́wọ̀n ẹ̀yẹn máa wò àtẹ̀yìn tẹ̀ ń pariwo wọ́n sẹ̀tẹ̀ up bí ẹni tó nà ọpọlọ tó bá sẹ̀tẹ̀ up tó bá ṣe the same thing ṣé ó rí move pé o ṣe